And this is where you say you want to do a backstitch both at the top.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County in southeastern Ohio until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Thornville, and Glenford.